Hi, I'm Peter and I'm at Wellhouse today just to give you a quick update on what's going on at the factory, what vehicles they have in stock. Most of the vehicles you see behind me are ready to go, fully converted. So let's take a closer look at them. We'll do individual videos on many of them, so check out their YouTube channel if you want more details on any individual vehicle. This is just a quick overview of what's happening at Wellhouse in May 25. So let's have a quick look. So yeah, all these vehicles are for sale. So we've got a lovely Ford Transit Custom, Pro Ace, Orange Glow, my favourite Ford colour. Lots of converted Alphards. Brand new Transit Custom in that amazing blue colour. I hope the camera picks it up, it's really striking. We've got the Auto House conversion. We've definitely done a video on that particular one. Another Transit Custom, and of course the Nissan NV350. Check out the video on that, it's quite unusual. If you want a large vehicle, large interior space for a small footprint, it's quite a TARDIS-like vehicle, that one. So let's have a quick look round the factory. Apologies for the noise. Got some customers picking up an Alphard here. So just getting the demonstration by Simon of how the bed works. And another, what's this? This is a Toyota Hi-Ace in conversion. And excuse the noise and the music, this is always a busy workshop. So we've got a Honda Elysian just starting to be converted. Another, what's that? Is that an Alphard? I think that's an Alphard, yes. They're also importing these brand new Suzuki Jimneys. So these aren't for sale in the UK anymore, but you can still get them fresh from Japan. And they have rear seats, so they're not the horrible van conversion, van-based ones that we got in the UK. So they're worth having a look at if you're in the market for a small off-roader. Another Alphard in conversion. And sorry about the stereo, let's hope we don't get any strikes. I might do voiceover for this bit.
It's also worth pointing out that as well as what you can see around the factory, they have lots of Japanese camper vans en route from Japan, so there's lots coming. Don't forget they also do the high-top version with the Lux model.
And over here we're just having the roofs put on this particular model. I think that's an Alphard. Look how much work there is in building these vans. And it's a bit dusty from being worked on, but this is a quick sneak preview of their new Transit Custom. And this one is electric. So not only stunning blue paintwork, which I think is my favourite colour on the new Ford Transit, lots of space inside, nice flat floor. So I'm looking forward to testing that one in the near future. So watch out for that review. Yet more vans ready to go out. A caravan has snuck in. How did that get in there? I don't know. Lots of stock, lots going on at Wellhouse as ever. Make sure you check them out.